This is a weekly activity called Instrument Find, and it will give the children the chance to search for pictures of instruments around the room as they're being dropped off into their classrooms. As the children make their way around the room searching for instruments, they'll also learn the main point. Check your help sheet for some variations on this game as you play it throughout the series. To lead the activity, you'll say something like this. All right, Alia, come on in. Good to see you today. Now, I have some instruments here on the sheet, and they are hanging all around our room. So I want you to pick a color here. You want green? Green's good? Okay, so blue too. All right, there's green. And I want you to go around and find the instruments, and as you find them, I want you to color them on the sheet. So right over here, what is this? No, it's a tambourine. Now, do you have a tambourine on your sheet? Okay, so why don't you color the tambourine, and when you're done, you can start looking for the other instruments on here, okay? All right. Hey, Daniel, come in. Colin, good to see you guys. Come on in. All right, guys, I have got some sheets here. I want you each to take one. You like blue or yellow?
Blue.
Blue? How about yellow or red? Red, okay. I want you guys to work your way around the room and try to find some of the instruments on this sheet. Now, right here, what is this?
Violin.
It's a violin. Do you have a violin on your sheet? You do have a violin. Okay, so why don't you guys color the violin and then continue to look for other instruments. Oh, Jennifer, you're here too. Come on in. It's right there. All right, Jennifer, I've got some instruments on this sheet, and I want you to work your way around the room and find the instruments and color them. What color do you want? Blue. Okay. So back here, I have some maracas right here. Do you have this on your sheet? Yeah? Okay, so why don't you color those, and when you're done, you can go around and find the rest of the instruments and color them on your sheet, okay? Now, as the kids work their way around the room, take this opportunity to work around with them. You can talk with them, help them find instruments, color the instruments, and just get to know them a little bit during the drop-off time. As drop-off ends and your service begins, you'll continue the activity like this. All right, you guys, you find them all?
Yeah.
Okay, well, why don't you everybody come on in here real quick to the middle, and let's all sit down. You guys did a good job finding. Grab a seat wherever you want. Okay. I need to grab this because I left it over here. I need you guys to help me learn what we're learning today, okay? Now, we're gonna learn something today, but I don't really know what it is yet, but the words are on some of the instruments around the room. So, the first thing we need to do is we need to find the violin. Who found the violin when they were coloring? You guys did? Yeah? Okay. Do you know where it is?
Right there.
Okay, why don't you go get it and pull it off the wall and bring it over here, or off the chair. Okay. And then the next thing I need is the keyboard. Who found the keyboard? Anybody find it? Oh, Ollie, you found it? Why don't you go grab the keyboard and bring it here, and then Colin, let me grab this. We're gonna put it right here on the ground. You guys see this has a word on it?
That's an I.
It's an I, yeah, it's actually a letter that's a whole word. So the first thing says I, and then this keyboard has on it worship. So the next thing I need to find is maracas. Who found the maracas? You did? Okay, why don't you grab the maracas, Jennifer, and bring them over here. And then who knows which one on here is a flute? Can you point to the flute? Very good. Okay, I need somebody to grab the flute. Daniel, do you want to grab one? Okay. You guys see this one says God. So we have I worship God. Yeah, let's see, the flute's on the way. The next one I need is a trumpet. Who knows where the trumpet is? Ollie, you know where it is? Okay, Colin, you can get the next one. After the trumpet, I need a piano. Can you find the piano?
Oh, it's over there.
Okay. And then Jennifer, why don't you grab, you know which one the clarinet is? Can you point to it on your sheet? Yeah, very good. I have a flute and a clarinet, but I need the clarinet right now if you want to grab that. And then Daniel, I think we just have one more. We have the clarinet. What's last? Oh, I think the clarinet's it. All right. So we have I worship God when I am thankful. And that's what we're going to learn today, is that I worship God when I am thankful. Okay, so let's go learn more about that, all right?